In this video, we are going to discuss about some questions of equilibrium. Here you see which of the following will be favored at low pressure. They are giving four options. They are asking which of the following reaction favorable at low pressure. Low pressure. What we know already we studied. Pressure increase means number of moles increases. That is a stress. System is responding in order to decrease the number of moles. We have to check the number of moles reactant side and product side. In which side there is a change, we have to observe that option. Come to the question. Low pressure means what about the low pressure? Pressure increases, pressure decreases. That means number of moles also decreases. This is the stress given. What system has to respond? System has to increase the number of moles. I have to check the number of moles in each option. Which reaction number of moles increases, that is my option. Here 1 plus 1 2, this side 2, both sides same. Here 1 plus 3 4, here 2. Number of moles decreases, 4 to 2 decreases. This side 1 mole, this side 1 plus 1 2. Number of moles increases. Number of moles increases, this is my option. Here 1 plus 1 2, this side 2. So there is no change. Here decreases, here no change. So this is my option. They are asking like this. If they are giving temperature here, at the time they have to mention here delta H positive or negative, they have to give. For temperature, that is different. And here, according to Le-Chatelier's principle, adding heat to solid liquid equilibrium will cause this solid and liquid both are in equilibrium. What you are supplying heat. According to Le-Chatelier's principle, you are supplying heat means what system has to do? System has to take. It is taking, it is absorbing. It is absorbing means which reaction possible? Endothermic reaction possible. For solid, you are giving temperature means what will happen? Solid is converting into liquid. Ice is there. You are giving temperature means ice is converting into liquid. So that your solid amount decreases, liquid amount increases. The amount of liquid decreases. The amount of solid decreases. The amount of solid decreases. This is the preferable. And next one. This is very important model. See this. They are giving 3 reactions. In this question, 3 reactions they are giving and one target reaction they are asking. For each reaction, the equilibrium constant they are given. K1, K2, K3 are the equilibrium constant. Other reaction they are giving. This is the target reaction for the K4 in terms of K1, K2, K3. Whenever you are facing this type of questions, this type of model also there in thermodynamics. So we have to learn it very properly. Each time one question is coming based on this. Here what happened is K4 I need in terms of K1, K2, K3. What is the target equation? This is the target equation. I have to observe what is that? Right side and left side. Left side ammonia and oxygen is there. Right side NO and H2O is there. I have to adjust this given equations. Given equations to write 1, 2, 3. What I need? Ammonia I need left side, oxygen I need right side. Okay, in the given equations oxygen is right side, oxygen is left side. Okay, here also left side, here also left side, here also left side for oxygen, no problem. Ammonia you see, where is ammonia? In these 3 equations, here ammonia. In a target equation ammonia is left side. In a given equation it is a right side. What I will do is I have to make it reverse. So reverse of 1. What is that? Reverse of 1. What is coming? Reverse of 1 means 2 NH3 is in equilibrium with N2 plus 3H2. Whenever you are going to reverse that one, what is coming here? The equilibrium constant will be inverse 1 by K1. It is considered the 4th equation. Now, what is there? Oxygen. Oxygen 5 by 2. Oxygen 5 by 2. Here, how many oxygens are there? 1 oxygen, 1 by 2 oxygen. 1 oxygen plus 1 by 2 oxygen, 3 by 2 only coming. So what I am going to do is, I will go for other molecule. What is other molecule? This side what is required? This is my target equation. This is my target. I have to follow this. And NO, where is NO? NO should be right side. Where is NO? This side. Here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there, no problem. Where is water? This is water. Water, this one. In my target equation, water is in right side. 3 water molecules are 3 moles of water is there. So in a given equation also water is the right side. Right side, no problem. Here 3 is there, here 3 is not there. So what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply this third equation with 3. What I am doing here? Third equation multiplying with 3. What is coming here? 3H2 plus 3 by 2 O2 is equal with, what is that? 3H2O. 3H2O. You can say this is a fifth equation. And now, what is the other equation? This is modified and this is modified. These two equations. Second equation, N2 and O2. Target equation, O2 is there but N2 not there. Here, N1 is there. So, no need of changing this, as it is you write. Second equation as it is. Second equation as it is. What I am writing? N2 plus O2 gives, what is coming here? 2NO. You add all these things. Add means how to add? Left side part left side, right side part right side. I am writing here. What is that? 2NH3, 2NH3, 3H2 plus 3 by 2 O2. 3 by 2 O2. And now, here what is there? N2 plus O2. This side, right side part. N2 plus 3H2 plus, what is that? 3H2O plus 2NO. So what I am doing is, I have to check by doing all the math, by adding all these equations, I am getting my target equation or not. Here you check 3H2. This side, this is 3H2. This one cancel. Here N2. This one and 2. This one and 2. That is cancelled. What is remaining here? 2NH3. 3 by 2 plus 1. How much coming? 5 by 2 O2. Equilibrium with what is remaining here? What is remaining here? 3H2O NO. 2NO plus 3H2O. See this. These two are equal. Same. So that is coming here. So how it is coming? This one is nothing but K4. I need K4. So what is the thing I am doing? All this adding. Okay. Here, fifth equation. We are multiplying with 3 now. Third equation multiplying with 3. Third equation multiplying with 3 now. Multiplying with 3. So K3 here. What is coming here? Here 3 K3. This is the fifth equation. And this one as it is. Second equation as it is. What is second equation? K2. What I am doing? I am adding all these equations. I am getting my target equation. When the equations are adding, you have to multiply the equilibrium constants. So now K4 is equal to, what to get? K4 1 by K1 into 3 K3 into K2. This is what our answer. K4 is equal to 1 by K1, 3 K3, K2. Proper way you want to write means 3 into K2 K3 by K1. That is what our equation here. And some graphs we are going to study based on equilibrium state. What are the graphs here? What are the graphs here? See, for equilibrium state, graphical representation of what is that? Equilibrium state. I will take here what is the meaning of the equilibrium state? The state at which the rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. They are given. Both rates should be equal. So rate of forward reaction is 5 means rate of backward reaction also will be 5. So that at the time, what is that initially which reaction? A to B. It is a forward reaction, this is a backward reaction. Initially rate of forward reaction is more, slowly decrease. Initially rate of backward reaction less, slowly increases. Because initially no B is there, A only is there, slowly B forming. Once B is forming, B is converting into A. So initially this reaction is fast, initially this reaction is slow. After this reaction will be slow, after some time this reaction will be fast. So that what I have to write, after some time both will get a equal rates. So which reaction more? Rate value 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere high value. Rate of forward reaction is more. It is coming and stopping somewhere. Where? At 4, for example. At 4. So it is coming and occupying like this, and it is maintaining a constant value of rate. And here this backward reaction, no, this is for forward reaction. This is for what is that? Rate of forward reaction. Rate of forward initially 0, slowly increases, and it is also will be equal to that forward reaction. So at a time the graph will be like this. Otherwise the graph will be small graph I am writing here. Anywhere it will be like this. It will be like this. Otherwise very symmetrically it will be like this. Otherwise it will be like this. It is a rate, it is a time, it is a rate, it is a time, it is a rate, it is a time. I am writing here one graph, it may be like anything, but wherever you go, it is a value, it is a value. It is the same for both rate of forward reaction, rate of backward reaction, rate of forward reaction, rate of backward reaction, rate of forward reaction, rate of backward reaction. And the other graph, concentration. Concentration wise we are going to take means what will happen here? Here concentration you take and time you take. Concentration and time. Concentration and time. What happened here? Slowly concentration of A decreases, concentration of B increases. After some time A and B will get a constant values of their concentrations. Equilibrium can get anywhere where at equilibrium A may be greater than B. At equilibrium A may be equals to B. At equilibrium A may be less than B. That is why if A greater than B means at the time equilibrium will be like this. Equilibrium will be like this. It is belongs to concentration of A. It is belongs to concentration of B. A is equal to B means A is coming and occupying maintaining constant value, B is increasing maintaining constant value. In this graph, what is that? A is equal to B. Equilibrium maintains at A and B concentration is equal. At equilibrium A concentration may be greater than B. At equilibrium A concentration is equal to B. At equilibrium A concentration may be less than B. But what is the point? Once equilibrium state achieved, at that state there is no change in the concentration of A, there is no change in the concentration of B. Even A may be more or less, no change. B may be more or less, no change. That is what equilibrium state. Here A is equal to B, so that both the graphs are coincide with each other. This is the graph for A is equal to B. Concentration decreases. This is what? This is the concentration of A and this is the concentration of B. And what is that? A is less than B. That means initially A concentration is more, slowly decreases. Here A concentration decreases and it will become very less. B concentration increases and it will be constant. This is what? This is a B concentration and that will be a concentration like this. Here B is greater than A. This graph is for B is greater than A. And other graph will be, what is other graph here? What is other graph here? Here with and without catalyst. With catalyst and without catalyst. If the graph is like this, equilibrium state. For example, rate is there and here time is there. And two graphs are there. For a reaction, equilibrium state like this only. And the other one will be like this. Other one will be like this. Here you see. It will be like at this time. This graph is what is that? Without catalyst. And this graph is with catalyst. So without catalyst you will take a long time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 6 hours it is taking. This is the time at which equilibrium state achieved without catalyst. And see, the position is not going to change. With catalyst, the position is same only. Only it is coming earlier. Equilibrium state here 6 minutes means here how many minutes? Maybe 3 minutes. It is the time achieved equilibrium state at the 3 minutes. So it is with catalyst. So that the TC is less than T with catalyst and without catalyst. This is what the graphical representation for equilibrium state.